Welcome to Creative Arts Junior, where creativity and imagination come alive. Creative Arts Junior is divided into three exciting focus areas: papercrafting, painting, and sculpting. Each is offered as a separate course designed to nurture creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence through hands-on experiences. In papercrafting, students strengthen problem-solving and design skills as they plan and build one-of-a-kind creations. In painting, students express their emotions and ideas through color and brushwork, developing artistic techniques while exploring their personal style. In sculpting, students bring their imagination to life through three-dimensional art. As they shape and build, they explore form, texture, and spatial awareness, gaining confidence in their creative abilities. Throughout all three courses, students will express themselves and innovate, building a lasting love for artistic exploration. Join us for Creative Arts Junior and watch your students' creativity soar.